In the last video, we have completed the third chapter. It's a small chapter. So in this video, we are going to revise the third chapter. It is based on Tux Paint. I think you are familiar with Tux Paint because you have worked with Tux Paint in your previous classes. Now let us see which are the main parts of Tux Paint window. Toolbar, selector, drawing canvas, colors box and help area. Once more, toolbar, selector, drawing canvas, colors box and help area. Let's see the different tools and its functions. Can you name the tools? This is paint tool. What is its use? It has different types of brushes and it will help you to draw pictures. Line tool. It uses paint brushes and draws straight line. Text. Text tool is used to type text. Undo. It cancels the last action. Eraser tool. It erases part of a picture. Open. It is used to open an already saved drawing. Print. Print is used to print the drawing on paper. Stamp tool. It is like a sticker. By using this tool you can add wonderful pictures in your drawing. Shapes. Shapes has filled and unfilled shapes. Magic tool. Magic has different magic effects. Redo. Redo cancels the action of undo. New tool. It opens a new drawing. Save tool. It is used to save a drawing. The last one, that is Quit, which closes Tux Paint. So these are the tools in Tux Paint. Can you name them? Paint, lines, text, undo, eraser, open, print, stamp, shapes, magic, redo, new, save, quit. Let us try once more. Okay. Paint, lines, text, undo, eraser, open, print, stamp, shapes, magic, redo, new, save and quit. Then we have discussed 3 actions that we can do in a picture. First is deleting a file. Second, viewing the drawing in a sequence. Third action is printing a picture. So let us see how can we do these 3. To delete or view a file, first of all we have to open it. How can we open the file? Click on open button, select the drawing, click on erase button. Then the Tux Paint will ask you, erase this picture. Then you have to click on S button. If you don't want to erase it, then click on No button. Now weaving the drawing in a sequence. In this action, you can see all the pictures in a order. How can we do that? First of all, click on open button. When we click on this open button, we can see all the pictures that we have served in TuxPaint. In that window, click slides button that you can see at the bottom. Now the third step, click on each image in the order you want to view them. You see the images are numbered. After this, click on play button. Now you can see each picture appears one by one, and that is known as slideshow. Click back button at the bottom to exit this slideshow. Dear students, near to that play button at the bottom, you can see a series of bars, and it helps you to change the speed of the slideshow. If you click on the big bar, then the speed will be high, and when you click on the small one, the speed of the slideshow will decrease. Now printing a picture. To print a picture, select the print tool. Now the TuxPaint will ask you print your picture now. You have to click S button. If you have a printer which is connected to the computer, then you will get the printout. These are the main topics in this chapter we have discussed in the previous class. I think now it's clear. Study all that exercise and the notes given in the previous docs. With this video, you will get a worksheet. Try to do the worksheet in your activity book. Thank you.